Stop by and take a look at the 2019 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, remote keyless entry, auto headlight on/off, outside temperature gauge, backup camera, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, MP3 player, cruise control, trip computer. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.